Very well. Let's go for, actually, let me tell you what. As I've already told you, the software Sora has different layers of AI, all of which work together to give us the best possible result. The first layer is actually the text, right? The things you write down, the prompt, as we call it, right? Well, this prompt has utmost importance. How you write it, what structure it's got for you to get the best possible results out of it. And of course, what words you put there, what you start with, what you end it with, all of it can have different results, can have the best results, can have the worst results. So your prompt is actually determining of the output. For example, right now, check out this film. This is the prompt, a quick montage of Rome, Italy, blah. So you see, everything is so simple. Nothing special is going on in that prompt. But you see, other videos have different, let's say, types, right? Why? Because the beginning says 1970s news, blah, blah, blah. You see, the beginning is different. Or for example, this one is black and white. Well, obviously, the beginning of the prompt, you see, archival black and white footage from 1920s of home economics teaching kids how to make chocolate, blah, blah. You see, the beginning says it should be black and white. So as you see, every word you put down in the prompt section, right, is of remarkable importance. I want you to understand the importance of the prompting section, right? And it yields our favorable results. Now my internet connection has problems. It's not downloading the content properly. Or for example, in this sample, check out this video. What does the prompt say here? 66 gas station, an old 1980s station wagon sits parked at the gas pump and there should be cinematic lighting and blah, blah, blah. So you see the wording? You see how the cinematic prompt changed everything. So it depends on what you write down. Of course, we're going to talk about prompting in our own specialized prompting episode. We're going to tell you how to write the best prompts ever. And one more thing. You saw I liked that video. And you see that? I just clicked. And you see I can now see all his creations. For example, you see now. And you see that? It's the bottom and the top says it's like it's a real camera. So it's in the actually prompt, and it has worked in the previous video, of course. We're going to talk about how we can create videos like this, of course. Or for example, you see how exciting this is? Or let's see what this says. It says, the tone should be cinematic, lighting should be soft, something out of a Christopher Nolan movie. Wow. It means something related, something like Christopher Nolan's movies. You see that? Everything is about the details. Every exciting part of this video is in the details. This is a short sample, of course, for us to realize if we want to see our favorable results in an AI, we need to just work with it over and over again. Give a lot of prompts, error and trial, see stupid videos, and then finally we will see our great videos, right? The thing is, the process is, at the beginning, you need to create a lot of videos to get the hang of the AI, right? You need to understand the logic of the software. So little by little, I will try to help you with all the points you need to know about getting the best results. But the thing is, sometimes you might not see your 100% output because I told you AIs are not still complete. They might still make mistakes, but given the things you will learn, you will have the minimum mistakes from the AI.